Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a click to call button on Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, select a blank site, a template provided by Google Sites, or a recent site that you have been working on. I'm going to use this for example. Now, go to an open space, and then on the right corner, click on Embed, and then click on Embed Code. Now, what we're going to do is open a new tab and go to dash.elfsite.com. If you already have an existing account, log in, but if you don't have one, you can easily use a Google account and provide a username for you to start an account. Now, from this screen, we're going to go to Catalog, and then on the search bar, type in Click to Call. You should see this option right here. Click on it. From here, Elfsite would ask you to select a template that you want to use. I'm going to use this, and then continue with this template. And then, we're going to input the phone number that we want it to be sent or contact, and we can choose a button, and we can also choose a button text or a call window right here. Once you're done with all of that, click on Publish. After that, copy the code right here, go back to Google Sites, and paste your code right here and click on Next. Then, Insert. Give it a few seconds, and now you have a click to call button available on your site. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!